Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I review more about skincare and haircare products. If it's your first time of seeing my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload new video. So today I will explain everything you need to know about Medix 5.5 Retinol Body Lotion. Medix 5.5 Retinol Body Lotion is the perfect combination of anti-aging ingredients with natural antioxidants. Vitamin A, retinol, is the #1 recommended anti-aging ingredient, and helps decrease the look of wrinkles and fine lines. Natural ferulic acid is a powerful antioxidant that targets sun-damaged skin. This anti-aging cream will rapidly transform your skin and bring back your youthful glow. Medix 5.5 Retinol Body Lotion Moisturizer will leave your skin feeling smooth and hydrated. Retinol, the anti-aging super ingredient, can help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots while improving skin tone and elasticity. This supersize 15 ounces cream can be used to improve your skin appearance on your face, around your eye, neck, dcollet, hand and body. Nourish and moisturize your skin with the help from chamomile and botanomoist AMs, which is known to increase your skin's hydration by almost 88%. Made with black tea, aloe vera, and chamomile, known to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. Retinol targets crepey skin and enhances tone. Ferulic acid promotes firmer skin by fighting visible sun damage. How to use Medix 5.5 Retinol Body Lotion. Skincare doesn't stop at your neck. Massage over your body daily, focusing on the areas you want to restore. Side effects of using Medix 5.5 Retinol Body Lotion. The lotion has no side effects. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.